Hola, 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 Shapfiruzi Mzansi. Thank you for tuning into Shorty Stories. I hope everyone is having a great one today, and I hope Amakosi fans will be tuned for this latest updates that's coming up with Kaizer Chiefs. Fans have been buzzing after two straight wins in the Betway Premiership, but Bongani Kumalo has called for calm and humility with Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs supporters are smiling again. Two wins from two first matches, 2-0 win over Stellenbosch, and then 1-0 win grind past Polokwane City. The results awakened the Amakosi swagger back to Naturena. But while the vibe is good, former Bafana and Supersport United skipper Bongani Kumalo has sent out a reality check. Speaking on Everything SA News, Kumalo admitted that Kaizer Chiefs are showing signs of a team that can compete, but one that their foundations are still fragile. It is very good Kaizer Chiefs' recent form, but it is important for the players to keep their feet on the ground, Kumalo said. It is a very long season. It is not a cup competition. So as much as there is joy and there is ease in how they have started, there is still a lot of work to be done, and performance against Stellenbosch was not a great performance, but it was a wonderful result. The time against Stellenbosch or Polokwane City, the first half was not great. The second half was a lot better. So there are signs that something is brewing. So it is important that they remain calm and not importantly stick together and see it through. The former Bafana star added, next is Richards Bay visit to FNB Stadium on Tuesday night. The Natal Rich Boys are still looking for their first win over after losing 2-1 and 1-0 to Marumo Gallants and Golden Arrows, respectively. Let us know what you think about this news down below in the comment section. And do you believe or agree with former Bafana International and Tottenham Hotspur player Bongani Kumalo? If you think he is speaking the truth, let us know and engage with the page down below the comment section, because we all know which Kaizer Chiefs are yet to um, see what's happening this season